heard you whisper through the TV glow, but the volume's down and I'm alone. You said my name like a coded prayer. Now it's looping everywhere. There's a pattern in the way you move, like you're syncing up to something new. Every step feels pre-aligned, like you've been rewritten in real time. I blink once, you multiply. Now there's three of you in my mind. Faux, divine in the holy noise. Every signal's just a decoy. Everywhere you're out of frame, but every voice still sounds the same. Glitching in my brain. Your face appears in passing cars, in broken glass and midnight bars. Every stranger turns halfway, like they've got something to say. I check my phone, it knows too much. Predicts your name before I touch, and every message feels delayed, like it's already been displayed. You're not gone, you just disperse across every line I rehearse. Faux, divine in the holy noise. Every signal's just a decoy. Everywhere you're out of frame, but every voice still sounds the same. Faux, divine, I can't avoid all the static you deploy. If this is real, then explain why you're glitching in